In this video I will describe you Windows 11 Dev version, OS built 23451 and what is new features of this version of Windows 11. See Windows 11 23451 version notify me to restart computer. Restart your computer. See Windows 11 23451 version installed in my computer. What is the new features this version of Windows 11? In this build come with new modernized details pane in File Explorer. Improving Windows Spotlight, one of the multiple treatments for Windows Spotlight with richer UI showing in the full-screen experience. Narrator enhances interaction with Excel. New Facebook is rolling out a preview version of their widget. Example of a notification badge on the Start menu. Recommended websites based on your browsing history on the Start menu. New updated gallery icon in File Explorer. New updated widgets picker. Example of animated icons for widgets on the taskbar. Many more known issues and fixes. That's it, enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed video please like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.